Hey, let me show you something real, something you already know.
You are sitting in a bus. The bus is moving forward.
You are not doing anything, just sitting still.
But you are moving too.
Everything inside the bus moves with it.
Even when it feels like nothing is happening.
Now listen.
The bus suddenly stops,
Very fast.
but your body does not stop immediately.
You move forward.
You almost fall.
How does this happen?
Because your body
Was already moving.
and it wants to keep moving.
Objects do not change their motion by themselves. They keep doing what they are doing.
Unless something forces them to change. No force, no change. Motion stays the same. Stay still, stay moving. That's what nature is showing. No force, no change. That's Newton's first law.
A book on a table.
You push it, it moves. You stop pushing,
It slows down and stops.
because friction is the force that changes motion.
So Newton's first law means
Objects do not change their motion unless a force makes them change.